Say hi.
Hi.
We are at the beach.
It's a volcano.
You just need water in there.
Huh?
You need water in there.
Huh?
You need water in
I
there.
know. After I finish, I'm gonna put water.
So it's our first beach vlog and will be our last. Today's the last day. Then I think we're probably gonna film a little bit at the pool again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute or so. That's really pretty. Yeah. Look at the dogs in the distance. There's a volcano that dried already. What, Julie? Yeah. My mom and Sophie are cleaning out all the things while I'm recording. And Julie's here looking at the dried up volcano. You want to step on it?
No.
You want to step on it?
No.
You step on it.
No. It's dangerous.
I want to see Sophie's reaction to this. She didn't even notice. She's not even noticing. Didn't even. You just keep doing what she's doing. I'm just plastering down the volcano. She's not saying anything. Julie, on the other hand, is screaming, and she doesn't even notice. She just walked right past it.
What? Mommy.
So, Sophie, what's your reaction for me stepping on the volcano? Sophie, where are we about to go?
Guess what? It's my lucky day.
What? She found a penny just on the floor. So, bye, beach. Bye, forever. Our umbrella bent. It's broke. Our beautiful rainbow umbrella. It broke. Well, Monday's the first day of school. And it's Friday.